Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Tesla Model 3 Long Range. It is in a metallic silver. Let me put this down. I did notice a little bit of rubbing right here. That might have been from transport or such. We just barely got this, hasn't even been detailed yet. So we'll get that over and get that detailed, make sure that gets buffed out. But you want to ask your salesperson to make sure that it has, and I would also notice a little scuff right in here. So, oh, I apologize, it's right in here. Sorry, the sun is just blaring on me right here. So just make sure with your salesperson that that has been buffed out. It does have the aerodynamic wheels on it and the panoramic glass roof. That silver is just very, very reflective at this time of day. So let me take you for a tour of the interior. It has a black vegan leather. This is a Tesla vegan leather. There's your Model 3 branding. And there is your VIN. Here's your stereo volume and switching of stations and your other infotainment interaction toggles. So this is your infotainment center. This is where you would charge your phone and also your stowage. Here's your cup holders, your center console. Okay. So why don't we just go ahead and bounce through this. This is obviously your navigation. We'll go ahead and pull up your stereo. There it is right here. It is AM, FM, and XM. You also have some fun little apps on here through internet connectivity. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and bounce down through the quick controls. If I go too fast, you can go ahead and check out one of our other YouTube tutorials or other YouTube tutorials just on the Model 3. But here's the quick controls, the lights, locks, display, your driving settings, your autopilot, which it's set for a distance of 3 vehicles between you and the individual in front of you, as the beta versions of auto steer and navigate on autopilot, and your summon. Here's also your emergency lane departure avoidance alarm and blind spot collision and such. There's your navigation settings, your safety and security, your service, and your software. This is a very important page. It says you have a Model 3 Long Range, exactly 14,000 miles. It has the full self-driving capability and premium connectivity. It does have an update available right here. Here's your release notes. And I'm not seeing any additional information on this. Probably because you need to connect to Wi-Fi. So at any rate, there is additional information telling you what stereo you have, what computer speed you have for your self-driving, and also whether or not a garage door opener is installed. And I'm just simply not seeing that here. We'll have to once again confirm with your salesperson that that is taken care of. This is where you'd look at your backup camera if you're not in reverse. You can also look at your energy usage map. Your charging, looks like we need to get it plugged in. It only has 47 miles left on it. Here's your World Wide Web connection. Also your entertainment, your theater and your arcade, and your toy box. Okay, so this particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was damage sustained here on the front passenger side. I'll go ahead and show you. That's where it was. It turned out to only be cosmetic, so we got it fixed up quickly. As you can see, looks fantastic. We are the largest Tesla resale dealer in the area, so for more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.